So one of the advantages to having a social media account is that we have people who reach out to us all the time with different products. You really wouldn't believe some of the crazy products that we get. We got one a couple of weeks ago about a chair for our home office. We're a travel channel. We don't have a home office in the RV. Believe it or not, we don't have. Danny's home office is the dinette, the kitchen table and the chair, and it stays a mess. I just don't show that to y'all. But we are kind of picky and choosy about which ones we actually show y'all and which ones we just kind of ignore. And so the people from Tastee Air Fryer reached out to us, and I was super excited about this one right here. We have an air fryer at home. We do not carry it with us in the RV. I hate moving appliances back and forth. It's just a pain in the caboose. And then you always forget something when you do that. So they reached out and wanted us to try their new air fryer. And I will say, I was super excited to give it a try. And today I'm going to tell you exactly what I think about it. So the air fryer that we have at our home, it works. It air fries, but it is nothing amazing. And I have a few issues with it. The cleanup with it is not good. It's really hard to get the inside levers and things cleaned. And Tastee has taken care of a lot of the issues that I have with this one. I may actually have to have another one of these for my home base. Hate to tell you, Danny, but just the way it is. Let me tell you a little bit about Tastee's air fryer. This has, and I've just cooked bacon in it. It has a small tray in the bottom. This tray is coated. This thing is TFSA free, and it washes up like nothing I've ever seen. If you're at your home base, you can throw it all in the dishwasher. It's completely dishwasher safe. But with me, I just stick it in the sink, spray it with a little bit of Dawn, and it comes totally clean. I love it. No hard cleanup. It also has a built-in, it has a meat thermometer that comes with it. Before, I'm always taking the meat out, and y'all can see this. We have an old thermometer here in the drawer, and I'm constantly testing it to see if it has reached the temperature that it's supposed to be. But with this one, you just plug in the meat thermometer, and it will tell you exactly what temperature the meat is. I love that about this. No more guessing when it's done. This right here stores right here on the side. Look at this. You will never have to lose it or never have to be looking for it, and it stays put really well. It also has an amazing amount of pre-settings where you can do anything. People, you can do popcorn in this little air fryer. I love it. It is perfect for the camper. I don't know if you know it or not, but food that is air fried is way healthier for you because you're out of the grease and the oil that you normally cook in. You can make air fried chicken in this and you will love it. I promise. My favorite meat to eat in this is the pork chops. Pork chops, I think I've kind of always overcooked them, but in the air fryer, you set them, you get them to the temperature, they're tender, they're juicy, and I love them. They taste so good. So this has a lot of pre-settings, and I haven't really used them all yet. We've been on the road a lot. Steak, fish, chicken, and you know, if you choose the chicken, you get to choose whether it's a wing or a leg or a breast. Pork is a chop, a tenderloin, a belly. You can also dehydrate on this. I have never dehydrated anything, so that's something I'm going to have to play with. One of the things that we use this for is to reheat. You know how nasty reheated French fries are in the microwave. Pizza is fabulous in this too. You can throw French fries, pizza, anything you want to reheat. If you have leftover meat, like chicken from Zaxby's or something like that, if you heat it up in this, it will maintain the crispiness and not give you that soggy leftover type feeling that you get with heated up stuff sometimes. One of the things I really like about it is that it's small. It's not going to take up a lot of space in here. And you know, if you're in an RV, you're looking for things that don't take up a lot of space. Also, we don't use our RV oven. I'm just going to say this. I know a lot of people uses it. My friend uses hers all the time. We've never turned ours on, just to be honest. So one of the biggest reasons that we don't use our RV oven is because we don't want all that heat out in our camper. If you're in the summer, it's just, you don't want the heat. This does not put anywhere near that amount of heat. It's very minimum as to what heat it does put. Also, I can take this outside and set it on a picnic table, hook it up, and cook anything I want to cook if it's going to be an extended time out there. I set it right here and then turn the vent on right here on the stove, and you can hardly even tell it's on. I can make biscuits in this. They turned out great. You flip them over halfway through, fabulous. You can heat up so much and cook so much in this. This is going to be my new go-to appliance in my RV. And like I say, I wouldn't recommend it to you guys if I didn't just love it. Love the window that it shows down here. Still see my bacon. It's waiting on me to finish the eggs. So one of the reasons that I really like this is this. This comes with a flat piece in the bottom of it that allows the air to circulate. I pull this out. This can just go directly into the sink. It comes super clean, or the dishwasher. And then this is just a solid surface all the way around. You don't have lots of little grooves and things to get into like on previous air fryers that I've seen. Super easy cleanup. One of the cool things is that the Tastee Air Fryer also comes with an app. You can search for recipes, and then once you get the food ready, which I've already done, hit set to cook. Normal temperature is 152 to 54, and then you tell it cook now. It gives you all the vital information you need, and it will send you an alert when your pork chops are actually done. It's kind of a cool thing.
Or if you need to do something different, I think it sends you.
Yeah. If you need to flip it or something like that, it will also tell you that. I'm giving this item a 2 thumbs up. Thank you so much, Tastee, for reaching out to us. This is my new favorite RV item. I will be using this every day. Already am. We will put a link below that will get you straight to this if you are interested in it. Also, keep your eye open for the discount code.